Well, this turned out lovely. I've really enjoyed making this. It's really nice when something works, unlike the other 3 attempts. One of the other attempts for this project managed to make it onto a brush, and I was like, am I going to send that to Torbjörn? I was umming and ahhing about it, and I didn't think it was good enough. So I've done this one. This turned out great. And hopefully he likes it. These brushes are something that I sell, and I've sold a couple of these brushes to Torbjörn. He's bought 2 actually, so he bought this one which I put a handle on, and this one here, and I'm also sending him a 3rd one, and he's also going to return the favour and make me a lovely little handle. Maybe he'll make a video of that as well, we'll wait and see. Super stoked to receive something from a fellow YouTuber. It's great to do these little collaborations. So one of you guys or girls out there who buys another brush is going to be lucky enough to get the handle. It was a lot like the handle that I made before. But I just want to talk about block brushes and how to look after them, care for them. This is my current block brush. It's on its last legs, unfortunately. They're butcher's block brushes, but they've been converted and they've had a little bit of work done to them by the gentleman that I buy them off. He's a tutor at Home Lacey, which is a blacksmithing school in Hereford, and he takes these brushes which he buys. These are the 6 bristle brushes. He then soaks them in Danish oil and glues these slides in place, which gives them a bit more support. They're absolutely lovely brushes to work with, and like I said, I've had this for 6 years, and the best way to keep these is to draw a little arrow on them or put a handle on them so you can only use them in one direction. Well, you should only use them in one direction, and that basically will stop the bristles from falling out. So these can last a very long time if you love and care for them. Hopefully Torbjörn will able to get loads of lovely work out of these. If you want to get your hands on one of these as well, I sell these. Hopefully these will be up on the Etsy when that's running, but chuck us an email. My email will be in the description. You'll also be able to get these super cool baseball caps with Kitty on there, with the Trust Me I'm a Blacksmith on there, and my t-shirts with the logos and all sorts of other stuff on there. There'll be bits for gas burners, hammers, tongs, the poker I made the other day, stuff like that. So there'll be loads of stuff on there for you guys and girls to get your hands on. That's everything. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, please ring that bell for notifications, because it'll let you know every time I make a video. I make videos about twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, sometimes we do a live. I'm hoping to do a live from the workshop very, very soon. Comments down below, let me know what you thought of the handle, and anything else really that you want to talk about down in the comments. Also down in the comments, let me know what your favourite Torbjörn Åhman video is. I really liked his ball peen hammer video that he did recently. I'm done, that's everything. This is a link to a video which will be the handle Torbjörn video if he makes it. This down here is a link to another video. This is my Patreon, great way to support the channel. And this down here is the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.